What is a global settlement conference after a car accident? So here at St. Petersburg Personal Injury Attorneys McQuaid and Douglas, as you can probably tell by virtue of our videos and our website, we handle a multitude of car accident claims. And from time to time, we get notices from an insurance company after a car accident of what's called a global settlement conference. And basically, that's another name for a mediation. And it occurs when there are normally multiple claimants to a specific car accident policy. So for example, yesterday I was at a mediation with Geico. There was a set number of a set dollar amount of a policy, and my client was involved in a 4-car pileup. So there were 5 claimants that all submitted claims against that one Geico policy. So what Geico said was, hey, they picked a mediator, they picked a location, they paid for it, and we are putting X number of dollars, basically the entire policy amount, at play, and come to this global settlement conference and let's divvy up the amount of the money. So that's what a global settlement conference is in a car accident case. So you'll have to have multiple claimants and normally multiple cars involved in the accident. So there is no guarantee, however, that an insurance company will tender the full amount of the policy. It just really does depend on a case-by-case basis. But normally, they just throw the money out and they say, figure it out. And what will happen at these global settlement conferences is that they'll assign a field adjuster for the insurance company and also a lawyer for the insurance company. There'll be a mediator. I normally like my clients to be at the settlement conferences because I think it distinguishes us. I think it makes us look better. And so what happens is it's just like any other mediation. You give a presentation at the outset about what happened at the accident, what your client's injuries were, how it has affected he or she, and then outline of the total medical bills and out-of-pocket expenses. And each lawyer or each claimant will do the same thing. And then you break out into rooms and the mediator goes back and forth until you reach a resolution, just like a mediation. But this is specifically for car accidents and it's called a global settlement conference. And the good news is, especially with Geico, is the field adjuster that's assigned there actually brings a checkbook. So they'll give you a release right on the spot, a settlement document, and a check to walk out with. So if you were involved in a multiple claimant or multiple car accident, and there are multiple people making demands and claims for damages against a specific policy, you may get that notice of a mediation conference, and hopefully this now explains what that is and how it works. And good luck to you.